Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade lip balm updated. Combine beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, and lemon zest in a heatproof bowl, then gently melt over low heat while stirring. Strain out zest for a smooth finish, add a few drops of lemon essential oil, pour into tins or tubes, and cool until solid. Test a small amount on your wrist before regular use. Measure your ingredients precisely: beeswax for structure, coconut oil for slip, and shea butter for extra nourishment. Use about 2 parts oil to 1 part beeswax for a balm consistency you can spread easily. Add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest or 3 to 5 drops of lemon essential oil for natural scent without irritation. Keep a clean strainer and sterile tins or tubes ready so your balm stays pure and long-lasting. Start by creating a double boiler setup and melting beeswax with oil slowly, stirring constantly to combine evenly. Remove from heat and strain through a fine mesh to eliminate zest or solids, then return briefly to adjust consistency if needed. While still warm, add a few drops of vitamin E oil as a preservative and swirl gently before pouring into containers. Label tins with date and ingredients for safe use and batch tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.